Here's a look at my room at Spark by Hilton, San Antonio Airport. Here are the 2 queen beds right here. As soon as you walk in through the door, there's the bathroom. With this nice large mirror, you have the sink right here, some cups, some body lotion, some soap, some hand towels and tissues, toilet paper down there, trash can, toilet, towels. Decent sized shower. The shower head is at about 6'2" because I'm 6'4", and it's a little bit below my head level. You have conditioner, you have shampoo, you have shower gel. And then we walk back out here. You have some hangers. You have an iron and an ironing board right here. A little shelf to store personal items. The nice 2 queen beds right there. You have a full body mirror right here. Some coat racks. Another trash can. A nice large TV. Some more storage space right here. You have a stool right there. And a fridge. A desk with a chair and a lamp. You have the AC right here. Another light over there, as well as 2 lights by the beds. And you have the phone as well. Some charging outlets. Power outlets right here. Then a decent view out the window. You can see planes landing at the airport right about here. 5 feet deep. No one at the pool at all. I might get changed and take a little dip in the pool. It's a pretty nice day out here in San Antonio.